Another important consideration when installing this that can pose potential problems is the adhesive that's spread on the floor should be the recommended adhesive that the manufacturer has chosen for the application with which it's going to be installed. We regularly receive calls to investigate problems that have occurred with glue down LVT. Many times, 9 times out of 10, the problems are related to installation. It's very important that you use the right notched trowel for the installation of this product. And vinyl is prone to thermal expansion. So anytime there's significant heat or light fluctuations in a room that causes heat changes, the product's going to expand and it's going to contract. If this isn't adequately bonded to the floor, it's going to lift, it's going to pop, it's going to move. So if you're using a worn out trowel installing this product, it's not going to form a proper bond to the substrate. So it's critically important that not only do you use the right trowel and you use the right adhesive, but it's also important that this product acclimates to the temperature where it's going to be installed. So we always recommend, always let your product acclimate in the room where it's going to be installed. It's just a good practice and it's a very good habit to get into. With rigid click floating floor LVT, this product is going to expand. And it's very important that you allow for expansion with floating LVT. And the manufacturer will specify how much expansion you need and the maximum allowable span before you need to add an expansion joint. Typically somewhere 30, 35, 38 feet that requires some sort of expansion. The other consideration is carrying heavy weight on top of this, as it's designed to expand, and when you set heavy furniture or cabinets or whatnot on top of this, it has no room to expand and the valance will pop and it'll lift and separate. Just a couple of considerations to take into account.